Hey guys, welcome to Melange. Stir again till the oil gets incorporated inside the dough. Tap this dough on a flat surface and make a round shaped ball out of it. Once the ball is ready, keep it inside the bowl and cover it with a plastic wrap. Once this is done, you need to keep the dough for fermentation for good 30 to 40 minutes or till it becomes double the size. Now you can see it's become double the size. Now we'll punch the dough one more time. Roll it and divide the dough into 16 to 17 equal sized balls. Dry out. Keep it covered with a cloth. After 30 minutes, you can see they have grown double the size. Now it's time for baking. Bake this at a higher temperature, that is around 220 degrees Celsius in an oven till the crust becomes golden brown in color. As soon as you remove them from the oven, guys, it's very important for them to get brushed with oil. This helps them to stay moist and soft. Once that is done, cover it with a wet cloth till the bread cools down. Now it's time for molding the bread, and you can see our very yummy, delicious looking golden brown color Ladi Pav is ready. So guys, do try this recipe, and as I always say, don't forget to hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to stay tuned with such amazing recipes every week. So goodbye till then. See you next time.